Hi, my name's Alicia and I'm a suicide prevention advisor at PAPYRUS Prevention of Young Suicide. PAPYRUS is the charity dedicated to the prevention of young suicide, and my role as a suicide prevention advisor involves working on our national helpline, Hopeline UK. At Hopeline UK, we support young people and those under 35 to stay safe from suicide. We also support anyone who might be concerned about someone. We support our callers by offering a confidential space to talk through thoughts of suicide and offer practical help and advice. We call this safety planning. We're really excited to tell you about a development in the way that we're supporting young people to stay safe from suicide. Together with Earthware, we've modernised the way that safety plans can be created and accessed collaboratively. No one can take thoughts of suicide away, but a safety plan can help someone to manage their thoughts of suicide. It's a step-by-step guide that can empower someone to take small steps to increase their safety and bring themselves some comfort and distraction, even if it's just for a short time. When developing a safety plan, we might ask questions about plans for suicide, alcohol, drug or medication use, or any mental health diagnoses or concerns. And the reasons that we ask these questions is to help the user think about anything that could make staying safe harder and what they can do to make their environment safer. We would then explore any distraction or coping techniques that feel doable, along with options for short and long-term support if it's needed. Experiencing thoughts of suicide can be intensely overwhelming, and it can be difficult to know what to do or how to achieve some relief. A safety plan gives back some control to its user, helping them quieten those thoughts. Hopelink is an online platform which allows its users to access their safety plan anytime, anywhere. It's confidential, it's only accessed by a password made up of 2 unique words. When someone calls Hopeline UK and works with an advisor on staying safe, their safety plan is inputted to Hopelink by an advisor. The advisor will then provide the user with their unique password to access their safety plan. The safety plan can only be amended by an advisor on Hopeline UK, but this means if anything changes or a safety plan needs amending, the user can call Hopeline UK for a chance to talk about what has changed, what's going on, and to work together to ensure that their safety plan is fit for purpose and that they have the support that they need. We're really excited to continue to use Hopelink with our service users in ensuring that safety plans are user-friendly, accessible, and help people manage their thoughts of suicide to stay safe for now.